Hello friends, welcome to Ishwar Academy. Welcome to my second video of HTML5 crash course. Before moving ahead, I'm going to explain what we have seen in earlier video. In earlier video, we have discussed about what is HTML, why we use HTML, what are the features of HTML, what is the basic structure of HTML like other programming languages or markup languages. And then we have seen one example of HTML with different tags, like first row is of doc type HTML, which shows the document type, and then moving ahead, HTML tag. In HTML tag we have declared two different tags like head tag and body tag. In head tag we have also mentioned the title tag. In title tag, this contains the first HTML page. This reflects in the browser. You can see in the browser's title bar that first HTML page. This is all about the title tag. It shows the title of the page. Moving ahead, in body tag we have used two different kind of tags. First one is H1, which is heading level 1, and you can see the effect in the browser, which is bold and big. And the next one is p tag, which is used for paragraph, and you can see if we use p tag, so it creates a paragraph with proper spacing, or you can say that indenting as well. So this is all about previous lecture. Moving ahead, in this tutorial I'm going to discuss about what kind of list available in HTML5. So you will often need to present large amount of organized information, and for that HTML has some wonderful features to manage this task. HTML has three kind of list and a powerful table structure for organizing the content of your page. The table structure we'll discuss in later video. In this video I'm going to explain only basic list in HTML. HTML supports three types of list. The number one is unordered list, second one is ordered list, and the third one is definition list. An unordered list generally contains bullets point, whereas ordered list contain some kind of numerical counters preceding each element list. And the third one is definition list, which contain definition term and their respected definitions. So I'm going to build here an unordered list, and for that unordered list is represented as ul tag, and you have to end with slash. Lists are made with two kinds of tag. One tag surrounds the entire list, like I have mentioned here, ul and end of the ul tag. In between this, the whole list will be organized, and it indicates the general type of list. Each element of list is stored between a li tag, which is nothing but the list tag, the li tag. So everything comes in this list will be embedded in between li tag for unordered list, or you can say that for order list also. Normally each li pair goes on its own line of the source code, although you can make a list item as long as you want. In general, I'll create here something like heading 3. I'll use h3 tag for heading 3. Let's make something, a list of games, list of games, and in li I'm going to mention number of games like cricket. I'll copy this line. Second one will be football. Then next badminton, or you can say here golf. I'll mention two more, volleyball, and the last one is tennis, or you can say lawn tennis. I'm going to save this and we'll see the effect after refreshing the browser. And you can see the list of games is the S3 tag, and in unordered list, as I have said, that unordered list contains bullet. You can see here bullets with proper indenting, and there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 games in this list, and which is preceded with bullets. So this example demonstrates an unordered list which is surrounded by the UL tag pair. Okay, I hope you understand what is UL means unordered list. Moving ahead, we'll discuss about ordered list. So I'll create ordered list. So ordered list are almost exactly like unordered list. It has numbers rather than bullets. Let's have a look at the example. So I'm going to copy this from above, and I'll change the heading with something list of fruits, and I have to replace this UL to OL. This is for ordered list, and UL stand for unordered list. And here also I'll change UL to OL tag. And again, in similar way as we have mentioned li tags for unordered list, in OL tag we have to use li as well. So first will be fruit apple, then second one will be banana, third can be lychee, fourth one grapes, then fifth pineapple, and the last will be strawberry. And save it, and let's have a look at the browser. I'm going to refresh my browser, and you can see the effects. The list of games having the bullets because it is unordered list, and the list of fruits having the number list because I have used OL tag instead of UL tag. So this is the only difference in between UL and OL tag. Rest of the terms are same, the indents are same, pattern of data organization is same. So this is simple as it is. You can nest another list in between, so you have to just copy and just paste and refresh your browser and see the effect. So you can see I have used nested OL here, and it is creating the another ordered list exactly after strawberry, and the numbering starting from 1 because we have created another OL tag inside the OL tag. So this is all about the ordered list. And let's moving ahead to the third type of list, that is definition list. Definition list generally represented with DL tag, that is nothing but the definition list. It is used rarely, but still it is very important. The definition list contains two different kind of tags. First one is definition term, and the second one is definition description. definition term means dt, and the definition description is all about the definition. So definition list don't use bullets or numbers, instead they have two elements as I have mentioned. Definition term, so definition, this is nothing but the definition term, and we have to close it with dt, and the definition description are the extended text block that contain the actual definition. It is the extended text blocks that contain the actual definition, and we have to close it with end of dd tag, that is description. So this list can also be useful in other situations like forms, figures with caption, and etc. So save it and see the effects in the browser by refreshing the browser. You see the definition term is here and the definition description is somehow indented at some space in our browser. So guys, I hope you understand how basic list works in HTML5. So these are the list used in HTML. I hope you like my video. So if you have not subscribed yet, so please subscribe my channel, like my videos, share,